Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I wanted to give you an update on my English paper piecing project. It is starting to get so big and it's so much fun to work on, and I hope you'll give it a try. So come along with me and I'll show you how I put this together. At the end of this video I will show you how large it is, I will measure it, and I wanted to tell you also that it is 10 stars across and 13 down right now. I am going to be making it into a queen size, a little bit bigger than a normal queen, and that is the goal. This is the template that I am using to make my stars. This package I got from Amazon, all of this came in the package. I will leave a link down below of everything that I am using in this project. Jelly rolls work great for this project. The strips that I have here are 2.5 inches and my template is 2 inches, so it fits perfect. This is the paper that I use to cut out my shapes. There are so many different things you can use for your paper. I like this. I just like how it feels. But you could also get this at the Dollar Tree. For $1.25 you get 250, and I can get 2 out of 1 card. This paper is the right thickness that I need. Just a little thicker than actual copy paper, but holds its shape. You can buy the shapes already cut on Amazon. Then I just take my paper and I put it right on my strip of fabric, and I want to cut all the way around, leaving 1/4 of an inch all the way around. And then you want to thread your needle. This is 100% cotton thread that I'm using here, 50 weight. I always use 2 strands when I work on English paper piecing. I just feel like it makes it just a little bit stronger. I had to come up with a way to get the knot at the end. I kept tying it too short, and just putting the scissors in there like that and pulling down makes it go right where I want it to go. It's so perfect. I've been doing this for a long time, so I don't pin it anymore, but you could definitely do that. You could take these Wonder Clips, and this little basket's adorable. When they sent that to me, I just love it. It holds the clips, and the little clips are so perfect for all things quilting, sewing. But what I do is I take that 1/4 of an inch and I pull it down like that. Get ready to sew it. If you're just starting out, you might want to just pin it like that. Just put the clip on. I go right through the paper. I am going to be taking large pieces. They're not going to be close together. My only goal right now is to get the fabric hooked to the paper. And the paper allows it to have the diamond shape. And that makes it just perfect when you want to quilt it. always put a couple extra stitches in each corner. That just kind of helps secure it. If you are not going to get this project done real quick, it just kind of helps keep everything together. And that is exactly how you do one. And you need 6 of them to make a star. I wanted to show you the fabric that I bought. I got this at Walmart. They have it currently. And then it is time to put them together. I like to sew 3 of them together at a time. And then once you have each side done, then you put the sides together. The stitches that I'm putting in right now to sew the 2 fabrics together are very tiny. The stitches will stay in forever that I'm putting in right now. So you want to use very tiny little stitches all the way down the line. I have found doing it this way works the best for me. I like to start right here and sew this part down first. That way I know the center is perfectly even. And then it is time just to sew that other part. And it's just that easy to make a star. And now I'm just going to add it to the quilt top. I am taking white and going all the way around each one of my stars. I think it makes each star stand out, and I really love the way that looks. I am about halfway done with this quilt top. This has been so much fun to work on. I have 2 other videos that I have done on this exact quilt if you want to check those out. At the end of this video, I will put up 2 more videos if you'd like to click on them. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching.